As I am recording this video, Messenger seems to be one of the topics that is trending on Google because friends are talking to each other and businesses, even the one who closed down, are using Messenger to keep in touch with their audience on Facebook or off Facebook. Yes. If you are a person and you are not a business, you can use the Messenger app without Facebook. There is an app, if you go on your phone, called Messenger, and you don't have to be on Facebook to be on Messenger, if that's one thing. The second thing I want to share with you is that today, more than ever, if you want to be in touch one-on-one with your audience on Facebook, Messenger might be a great way to do so on a business page. So here we go. I just want to bring one thing to your attention. If you have a business page with fans, not friends, fans, you won't be able to send a private message to a person, like someone who is a friend on Facebook. Only people, like personal people with a profile, can reach out to a Messenger business, right? So people who are reaching out to you, to your page, they're gonna go to your Messenger and send you a message. And then you can reply to them, and there are some rules around this. So maybe you want to start building what we call your Messenger bot. So Facebook within the application for pages has a few sections that allows you to have a welcome message or a message if you're not around, or even some FAQs like frequently asked questions, especially if you are swamped with messages right now because your customers or potential customers wants to know if you're still open or if you're still delivering stuff when you close. So you might want to check this. If you go in your settings, under the section that you enable your Messenger, and you'll see there are some sections right there that could allow you to tell your people where to go now if they want to order your food or your pizza or your stuff. So talking about pizza, there is another thing you can do if you haven't explored what we call chatbots. So it's when you use a third-party tool. The one I use is called ManyChat, and it's like 15 Canadian dollars per month. It's nothing. And you can actually put in place some social media campaigns around Messenger with this. For example, right now, I know that this is done by some restaurants who only do takeout. So I think it's Tacos Tuesday, International Tacos Tuesday coming next week or something like, or even for Tuesday. We know that Tacos Tuesday is a thing. You could send your subscribers on your Messenger, on your Facebook page, some coupons. Like if you buy one taco today in takeout, you'll get the second one for free or half price or whatever. And you can deliver actually coupons right on your phone. This is what Messenger can do. And that's just a little bit of examples for you. So if you want to be in touch with your audience right now, you have a native Messenger setup that you can use. Go to your settings under Messenger and check all the sections. And if this is something you need help with, you just send me a message like below that video or somewhere around. I will put a link so that you can book your free consultation for me. This is what I'm doing right now to help as many entrepreneurs as I can as a social media consultant to help you keep moving forward. By the way, I'm Angélique, the founder of Social Media Love, and I help women entrepreneurs to unleash their inner rock star so that they can position themselves so strongly and powerfully online and share the message. So right now, this is your time to share your message. And if you need to reach out to your audience, Messenger could be one of the tools. I hope this is helpful. I hope this is opening a new way of thinking and using tools, because I know right now on Google, Messenger is very, very searched. Okay, see you soon. Ciao, ciao.